afternoon, children. How is it going, children? Pretty good? Yes. Today's concept time, we are going to learn about the types of plants. Remember, children, in the previous session, we are learned about trees. Today, we are going to learn about different types of plants like shrubs and herbs. Okay, children, these types of plants are called shrubs. They are shorter than trees. Yes, children, they have single thin wooden stems. Yes, children, and the shrubs grow as bushes. Shall we see some examples of shrubs? Yes. This is a cotton plant. We get cotton from this plant and we make clothes from the cotton plant. Okay, children? See here, children. This is a rose plant. Rose plant is also a shrub. We get beautiful flowers of different colors from the rose plant. Yes, children. Some fruits like strawberry grow on shrubs. Juice and flowers are used to make fragrance and perfumes. The flowers are used to make garlands. Yes, children, the flowers and fruits are also used to give flavor to food. Yes, children. Now, moving on to the next type of plant. See here, children. What is this plant? It doesn't look like a tree. No, it doesn't look like a shrub. Then what is this plant? Yes, it is a herb. The herbs are smaller in size and it has many thin wooden branches. Yes, children. Now, shall we see some examples of herbs? Yes. This is a herb. What is this plant? It is a spinach plant. Yes. See here, children. What is this plant? This is a coriander plant and it is a herb. Yes, children. You know this plant? Have you seen this plant? Yes, it is a basil or tulsi plant. Yes. When you get cold or cough, your mama will give you hot tulsi tea. That we get from the tulsi plant, children. Yes. Now you have understood the concept shrub and herbs. Okay, children. See you in the next session. Thank you so much and bye-bye.